The first icon to select when beginning a physical count is Generate Inventory Worksheet. This generates a worksheet based on the criteria specified, of which it can be printed and taken out to the warehouse to use for recording item quantities. The worksheet first prompts for the location range to be entered. The worksheet can also be generated for a specific account set or range of account sets. Remember, the account set is what is linked to a costing method. For example, you may only want to count FIFO items. Then determine how the items are to be sorted. Choose by item, category code, segment of an item number, the picking sequence assigned to an item at a location, or by any of the optional fields linked to inventory items. Selecting by an optional field can be extremely useful if you need to count selected items more frequently, such as what might be required with ABC inventory cycle counting. If the warehouse has sequentially organized bins and shelves, selecting the picking sequence code might be a good choice, so an entire section of the warehouse can be counted at once. For the purpose of this example, select it by item number and accept all items. Optionally, enter a comment, such as Northwest Inventory Count. Next, specify which items to include. Are there items from location only? Meaning it only includes those items that are allowed at the locations specified. In-use items only, meaning to only include items where an actual quantity exists at one of the locations specified above. Or, all items from inventory list, meaning to include all items whether they are only in stock or not. Then indicate if the worksheet is to display the quantity on hand that should actually be in stock. Sometimes it might be better not to give the person counting the inventory a clue as to how many there should be on the shelves, and instead force them to actually count the items. However, for the purpose of this example, select the option anyway. When the Generate button is clicked, Accpac creates a worksheet that can be used for counting inventory. It also creates a temporary file that can be recalled when performing the next stage of the physical count process. It's probably worth noting that when a worksheet is generated for a location, the physical count process must be completely finished before generating another worksheet for that location. If not, then Accpac replaces the existing generated worksheet with a new one.
Let's take a look at the inventory worksheet.